Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Shahnaz, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and also follow me on the Instagram. Today's video is about smytten haul. I hope most of the people know about smytten app. For those who don't know, I'm gonna explain them in a short. Smytten is an app. Links are provided in the description box below, or you can directly download it from Play Store. It has more than 1200 brands. You will get free samples of your choice for 6 trial points, and you need to pay charges for the shipping. I got this box for 258 rupees. It contains 11 products. One by one I'll be showing. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first product we have is Sage Apothecary 3-in-1 Mud Face Mask. It is made with the goodness of bamboo charcoal and tea tree. It removes impurities from skin and removes dead skin cells. For best result, use twice in a week. The second product we have is niacinamide serum for acne marks. It contains niacinamide and zinc to control excess sebum production, reduces inflammation and improves skin texture. This is very helpful in treating acne and skin blemishes. The third product we have is a lip scrub from Seer Secret. It is made from natural ingredients such as rambutan, dates, licorice and raw sugar cane. It removes flaky substance present on lips, providing them moisture. It also removes pigmentation and tan. It works as an exfoliator to make your lips look fuller and healthier. The fourth one we have is Sage Apothecary Coconut Lip Balm. It prevents chapping and dryness of lips in all seasons. It has special ingredients like watermelon and turmeric infused in it, which keeps my lips soft and hydrated for quite long hours. Use as many times as needed to reduce dehydration. The fifth one is Nature's Co Face Gel. It nourishes skin and makes it smooth and soft. It is suitable for all skin types. The formula contains lavender extract, lavender oil, licorice extract, vegetable butter, vitamin E and glycerin. The sixth product is Green Tea Face Mask from Plum. This face mask contains natural clay which absorbs excess oil without drying out your skin. It is 100% vegan, paraben-free and cruelty-free product. Apply a thin layer and leave it on your face for up to 20 minutes. Then wash off with cold water. The seventh product is Bella Vita Under Eye Gel. Its unique formula helps to get rid of dark circles, puffiness under eyes and dehydrated skin. It has natural ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, bakuchi and almond oil. Take a pea-size amount and massage until the cream is absorbed. For best results, use twice in a day. Next one we have is Insight Matte Lipstick. It is a beautiful shade name called Warm Nude A16. It is suitable for all Indian skin tone. It is super creamy matte lipstick. It doesn't stay for quite long hours as it starts to fade within 2 to 3 hours after the application. The ninth product we have is Pilgrim 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA peeling solution. It exfoliates the top layer of the skin to reveal a fresh new skin. The 10th product is BoroPlus Antiseptic Cream. It protects and moisturizes your skin. It cures cuts and wounds. It smoothens cracked heels and chapped lips. It also gives a soft and smooth skin. The last one is Anor Under Eye Cream. It is light cooling cream filled with caffeine which rejuvenates and nourishes. It helps to reduce wrinkles, fine lines and dark circles. Take a pea-size amount and gently rub under the eye before going to bed until the cream is absorbed so that you get a fresh, good look in the morning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts regarding the products or something related to it, please do write in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.